2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Honda CB500X. In the diverse landscape of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda CB500X stands out as an exceptional choice for beginners, seamlessly combining versatility, adventure capability, and accessibility. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those embarking on their riding journey, the CB500X exemplifies Honda's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking a perfect blend of learning-friendly features and adventure-ready performance. In 2024, the CB500X continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, exploration, and the joy of discovering new horizons on two wheels. 1. Adventure-ready design with urban sophistication. The Honda CB500X boasts an adventure-ready design that seamlessly blends with urban sophistication. With its tall stance, adventure-style fairing, and contemporary lines, the CB500X exudes a bold and rugged presence that appeals to riders looking for a versatile motorcycle capable of tackling various terrains. Honda's meticulous attention to design ensures that the CB500X not only provides a comfortable riding experience but also stands out as a go-anywhere adventure companion. 2. Responsive parallel twin engine. At the heart of the CB500X lies a responsive 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and versatility. Honda's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners seeking adventure while building confidence on the road. The CB500X's engine provides enough performance for urban commuting and highway cruising, as well as the potential for light off-road exploration. 3. Comfortable ergonomics for extended journeys. Designed for comfort and extended journeys, the CB500X features rider-friendly ergonomics. The bike offers an upright seating position, wide handlebars, and a well-padded seat, ensuring riders can embark on adventures without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the CB500X not only a capable adventure machine but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and longer rides. 4. Nimble handling and off-road capability. Crafted for nimble handling, the Honda CB500X provides riders with a responsive and easy-to-maneuver experience. The bike's lightweight chassis and adventure-oriented suspension contribute to stable and confident handling on various terrains. The CB500X's off-road capability encourages riders to explore beyond paved roads, fostering a sense of adventure and expanding their horizons. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 CB500X seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and optional advanced rider aids add contemporary functionality without compromising the CB500X's adventurous design. Honda ensures that the CB500X remains technologically relevant, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of adventure styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda CB500X stands as a global icon of entry-level adventure excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its adventure-ready design, responsive parallel twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, nimble handling, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether navigating city streets with sophistication, cruising on highways, or exploring unpaved paths with a sense of adventure, the CB500X encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level adventure excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, exploration, and the joy of discovering new horizons, the 2024 Honda CB500X rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.